All right, so we're here in the yard because I found this two-door coupe. I really don't need no parts, but oh, wait a minute, look at this. See, he clean too. So it's a lot of parts that can come off of here, but I need to see what's up. All right, so somebody already came and got the, you see the window moldings out, the window trim, and the door chrome. I probably would have snatched that if it would have been here, just because. I'm gonna look at the door handles. They're actually not that bad. Those you can definitely take and clean them up. If somebody needs some of that trim, come on out here and get it. Let's see what else we got here. Okay. All these back pieces are gone. I think one of the pieces I was looking for was that, but that's different. So we don't have that. I'm gonna go back on the other side and look in the motor. 4100. It is definitely some salvageable parts in here. So that just depends on if you need them. I think I got that, but I definitely need that cap, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. This cap right here, mine's broken, so I'm gonna get that, and we're gonna look inside. All right, now we got the door open. Look at this, got the white interior around them. You see that? You got the Kenwood in there. Definitely got the hubcaps. Those are still there. Headliners down, but see that piece in the back? That window trim, that's all here in good shape. What else am I looking at here? Dash pad is not in good shape, but you can always fix them. They're really not that hard. Then you should always get like small stuff like this right here. Those, you just clean them up, put them back in. Real simple. So it is one up here. Got some half decent parts. And somebody, boy, went to town on that TOXXIC and that headliner. They wasn't playing. We ain't gonna glue it. We're gonna put 1,000 tacks up there and keep this one up. Hell no. All right, so let me get this one little piece that I need, because that's the only thing I think that I can use off of this car for my Fleetwood, which you guys know I'm still working on. I got some update to that coming up. That trim, that don't look that bad either. Just a screwdriver, you get those out, polish them up, put them back on, you're good to go. All right, fellas, let me do my thing. Hit you back in a second. All right, so I did take these off. These are not that bad. Once you polish them up, they'll look good. And I think mines are in decent shape, but when you get little parts like this, you might as well just take them off if you need them. Somebody else is definitely gonna need them. But I'm gonna compare these against the ones that I got for my Fleetwood, and then if they look good, we're just gonna polish them out and do it. So I'm gonna take off the other side, and we're gonna walk over here real quick. These are one of the more easier ones. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Then you just kind of work it out, and it comes straight out. So let me knock these out and I'll get with you in a second. So I had to kind of get some videos of these because I have to replace those on my car. So I did order some rivets, but when I start to put them on, I'll show you guys the process to put them on. But you want to make sure you have those so your all your clips will fit on the way they're supposed to. Now, another thing that you can always look at is this steel trim. It's not good enough for me to take them, and I do have an extra set at the house. But if you find those good, go ahead and take them. You can always polish them up and put them back on. But them damn things is not cheap. So if you find them, make sure you get those, always. So I think on my Fleetwood, if I'm not mistaken, this crossbar looks a little twisted. So I might need to go ahead and try and figure out how to replace that on mine. But if it's twisted, I'm definitely gonna have to fix it. So I'll keep you guys posted on that too, because once I get it back home, we're gonna break it down and pretty much replace everything that we got on the car, or put it all back on. And then I have a lot of videos showing how to do some of this stuff, the stuff I can figure out. And the stuff I can't, we're gonna get somebody in there to do it. All right, so we're leaving the Coupe Deville back there. Still a lot of good parts on there if you any of you guys need them. This is at, where are we at? Pull Apart South, Atlanta. This one just came in on the 3rd, if I'm not mistaken, so I had to come in here and see what they had on it. And like I said, I don't need no parts, but it's always good to double check and see what they leave behind. So now I'm gonna get out of here. And I think I'm gonna go get me a slushie. Hey Yogi, hit me up. Like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and if you need any more information on it, hit me up. And when I got time, I'll come back and check it out for you. TOXXIC Rides, and we out. Peace.